Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are tackling a common problem many Android users face, forgetting the unlock pattern on their phones. Whether you recently set a new pattern, handed your phone to someone else, or simply have too many things on your mind, it is easy to lose track of your screen lock. But do not worry. In today's video, we will guide you through multiple methods to regain access to your device if you have forgotten the pattern. Here's a quick overview of what we will cover. Method 1. Using Google's Find My Device. Method 2. Booting into safe mode. Method 3. Performing a factory reset. Method 4. Using backup PIN or Google account recovery. We will walk you through each of these options so you can find the right solution for your situation. So if you're ready to get back into your device, let us get started. Method number 1. Using Google's Find My Device. Our first method uses Google's Find My Device feature. This is the simplest and quickest way to unlock your phone if you have forgotten the pattern, provided you have a Google account linked to the device and Find My Device is enabled. 1. Access Find My Device. On a computer or another device, go to the Find My Device website. Alternatively, you can use the Find My Device app on another Android device. 2. Sign in with Google account that is linked to the locked Android phone. Make sure you use the same account that is associated with the locked device. 3. Select your device. Once signed in, you will see a list of devices associated with your Google account. Choose the locked device you want to locate or manage, or locate the device. After selecting the device, you should see its approximate location on the map. The map will show the device's last known location and update it in real time if the device is turned on and connected to the internet. 5. Choose an action. Ring. If your phone is nearby, you can use the ring option to make your phone ring at full volume for 5 minutes, even if it is on silent. Erase. If you are unable to recover the phone and are concerned about your data, you can choose the erase option. This will remotely erase all data on the device. Note that once the device is erased, you won't be able to locate it using Find My Device. 6. Follow additional instructions. Depending on the actions you choose, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. This method is effective for most users, but it does require that you have Find My Device enabled on your phone and a stable internet connection. Method number 2. Boot into safe mode. Now, if your phone uses a third-party lock screen app, booting into safe mode might just do the trick. 1. Boot into safe mode. Press and hold the power button until the power menu appears. Then press and hold the power off option until you see a prompt to reboot into safe mode. Confirm by tapping OK. 2. Uninstall the third-party app. Once your phone is in safe mode, navigate to the home screen and open the Settings app. You can usually find this by locating the gear icon. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Apps or Applications. This section may also be labeled as App Management or App Settings depending on your device software version. In the Apps menu, you'll see a list of all installed applications. Scroll through this list to find the third-party lock screen app that you suspect it causing issues. Tap on the app's name to open its detailed page. You should see an install button or option. Tap and install and confirm your choice when prompted. This action will remove the app from your device. 3. Reboot your phone. Restart your device normally by holding the power button and selecting Restart or Reboot. Your phone should boot up without the third-party lock screen, giving you access again. Keep in mind that this method will only work if the lock screen was set by a third-party app and not the native Android security features. Method number 3. Factory reset your device. If none of the previous methods work, factory reset might be your last resort. Note that this method will erase all data on your phone. You only use it if you have no other options. 1. Turn off your phone. Hold down the power button and select Power Off to turn off your phone. 2. Boot into recovery mode. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold the volume app and power button simultaneously until the recovery screen appears. This combination might vary depending on your phone model. Check your phone's manual if necessary. 3. Select Wipe Data or Factory Reset. Use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Data or Factory Reset, and use the power button to select it. Confirm your choice, and the phone will begin the factory reset process. 4. Reboot your phone. Once the reset is complete, use Reboot System Now. Your phone will restart and you will need to set it up from scratch. While a factory reset will unlock your phone, it will also delete all your personal data. So only use this method if you have exhausted all other options and have no way to recover your pattern. Method number 4. Using backup pin. Try the pattern incorrectly. On the lock screen, begin by trying to enter your pattern incorrectly several times in a row. With each failed attempt, the device will typically display an error message or notification indicating that the pattern entered is incorrect. After you have made multiple unsuccessful attempts, usually around 5 to 10 times, the phone will eventually present a prompt or option labeled "Forgot Pattern" or something similar, allowing you to initiate the process of recovering or resetting your lock screen credentials. This prompt may appear as a clickable link or a button on the screen, designed to help you regain access to your device by offering alternative methods or unlocking it. Select Forgot Pattern. Tap on the Forgot Pattern option that appears on the screen after you have made several unsuccessful attempts to unlock your device with the incorrect pattern. This option is typically displayed prominently on the lock screen once the device recognizes that you have reached the maximum number of pattern attempts. Enter Backup PIN. You'll be prompted to enter the backup PIN that you set previously. Type in your backup PIN. Lock the device. Once you enter the correct backup PIN, your device should unlock, allowing you to set the new pattern or password if needed. Now, let us try using Google account for Android 4.4 or earlier. 1. Attempt to unlock. On the lock screen, try entering the incorrect pattern multiple times until you see the Forgot Pattern option. 2. Tap Forgot Pattern. Select the Forgot Pattern link on the lock screen. 3. Sign in with a Google account. Enter the Google account credentials that are linked to the device. You'll need to provide your Google email address and password. 4. Set a new pattern. Once you authenticate, you'll be able to set a new lock screen pattern or password. Remember to start with the simplest solution, like using backup PIN or a trusted device, before moving on to more advanced methods. Each approach has its own pros and cons, but with a little patience, you'll find the one that works best for you. And of course, always make sure to back up your data regularly. This simple habit of regularly backing up your data can be crucial in safeguarding you against potential data loss, providing a safety net that ensures all your important files, valuable documents, photos, and cherished memories are stored securely. You can prevent the heartache and inconvenience of losing irreplaceable data due to unexpected device malfunctions, accidental deletions, or other unforeseen issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. We are all about helping you get the most out of your mobile devices. If you have any other tech-related questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tips and tricks on all things mobile. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos and updates. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, keep exploring all the possibilities your devices have to offer. Bye for now.